Hi, I'm going to make a simple function to reorder the pages of a PDF to make a print spread for bookmaking. To better understand what it is that I needed to do, I ripped up a bit of paper and wrote some page numbers on it. So I need the front and back page to be blank because that will potentially get glued to the book cover. And then I need to split the pages up into smaller sections, which will then get bound together. So to manipulate the PDF file, I will be using this library, PyPDF2. So let me just run through what the script actually does. First, we open up the file and get some information about it. So the page count, the height, and the width. Then we add some blank pages for the flyleaf, which when it is a print block will potentially get glued to the book cover. Then we iterate through the pages of the PDF and create individual PDFs for each of the pages. Then the script pads out the number of pages such that the end page count is a factor of 4. The script then prompts the user to input the wanted number of sections. So I'm going to choose 5 sections with 4 pages each. Once the script knows how many sections and the page count per section, it can then reorder the pages as required for the print spread. And then finally, the script merges the individual pages in their correct order and also rotates the appropriate pages. And then, so once you have this new PDF file, you can send it to the printer, but you have to remember to print 2 pages per sheet and to print on the front and the back.